my goodness, we're at the Hoover Dam. It's a madhouse in this parking place. Yeah, it's like a roller coaster. Going to find a tour. Hello, you're in the movies. Movies at the Hoover Dam.
Forgot my popcorn.
Steven's sitting way up in the top for some reason. Stabilization is good with all your camera skills. Do you feel the power, Steven?
Water running through.
One crane can lift around 300 tons. For some comparison again, the Statue of Liberty in New York Harbor weighs 225 tons. So that green crane up there could lift the entire Statue of Liberty. Now the reason we have two, the second one's a little bit further back right now.
This is what we do on tours like this. Are you ready to enter the wind tunnel? Here we go. Oh, it enters this way. Whoa.
And the bypass bridge.
Were you about to say they should have a higher railing?
Yeah.
It looks somewhat like an upside down.
Oh my goodness, here we go. Baby Roy Choi.
Honey, tacos.
This is exciting times.
Did it meet all your expectations, honey?
Yes.
So many people. I think I'm in heaven. Oh my. Oh my. Well,
Oh my goodness, that thing's a monstrosity. That's the size of a baby.
that's insane.
It's like a baby in a blanket. Wow. Dreams do come true. Look at the inside.
Oh my god.
Looks like an Easter egg.
Is this your childhood dreams?